Hello, let us see MCQs of sequence and series chapter. So first MCQ is the common ratio for a GP 0.12, 0.24, 0.48 is. Now we know that common ratio means divide any term by its previous term. So simply divide second term by first term. So here write R as 0.24 upon first term 0.12, second term by first term. Now 0.24 we can write 24 upon 100, and 0.12 we can write 12 upon, there are two places, so 100. So this 100 and 100 get cancelled. So 24 upon 12, that is what? 2. So our answer is 2, that is option D. Okay. Now in second MCQ, question is the 10th term of geometric sequence, that means GP, is. Now we know formula to find any term, that is suppose nth term. So what is formula of nth term of GP? Tn is A into R raised to n minus 1. Now here what is A? A is first term. First term is what? 1 by 4. So write here 1 by 4. Now we want a ratio R. So for ratio again divide second term by first term. So here second term is minus 1 by 2. First term is 1 by 4. So this 1 by 4 write in numerator. This will become 4 by 1. So that is 4. 4 by 1 means 4. Minus 1 by 2. Now how we can write 1 by 2? 1 by 2 we can write here as minus 1 upon 2. 4 you can write 4 by 1. Okay, 4 by 1, and this write same minus 1 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. So here common ratio is minus 2. Now what is question? We want 10th term. 10th term means we want T10. That means here put n is equal to 10 to find the 10th term T10. So this is equal to A. A is 1 by 4 into R. R is minus 2 raised to n minus 1. But n is what? 10. So 10 minus 1. So now simply solve this. 1 by 4 minus 2 raised to 10 minus 1 is 9. Now minus raised to odd number is given. We know minus into minus is plus. So 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, even times this will become plus. But if raised to 3, 5, 7 is given, like suppose 3. So minus into minus plus into again minus, that is minus. So as here minus raised to 9 is given, so this will become minus. Now find out 2 raised to 9 and divide 2 raised to 9 by 4. So 2 raised to 9 is what? 512 upon this 4. So divide 512 by 4, minus write same. 4 ones are 4. Okay, this will become 11. 4 twos are 8. Remaining 3. So that will become 32. Then 4 eights are 32. So what is answer? 10th term is minus 128. So here option is C, minus 128. Okay. Next is for a GP T6 upon T3 is given 1458 upon 54. Question is find the R. Okay. So GP is 1. So A and R is same. Only this 6th term is given and 3rd term is given. So now we know that for a GP Tn is A R raised to n minus 1. So find out T6 upon T3. So what is T6 upon T3? For T6 write n is equal to 6 here. So A R, okay, A into R raised to 6 minus 1. A and R are not given. So write same A and R upon T3. So write a into r raised to 3 minus 1. Okay. So now a and a we can cancel. R raised to 6 minus 1 is 5 upon r raised to 3 minus 1 is 2. So you can use a raised to m upon a raised to n, that is a raised to m minus n. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Or simply we can think like r write 5 times. Here r into r write 2 times. So from these 5 times r cancel out these 2 times. So we will get r raised to 3. Okay. Now what is given? This is 1458 upon 54. So here now divide this, write this as some number raised to 3 if possible, then we can compare. So how we can divide here? Either divide by 2 or 4. So try this. Okay, so what is answer? Answer is 27. Now r cube is 27. So write 27 as some number raised to 3. So what is that number? So r cube we can write 27, we can write 3 cube. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. Okay, so compare these two sides, r is equal to 3. So answer is what? A. R is equal to 3. Okay, now next for question number 4. This is third. Now fourth. Which term of the geometric progression, that is GP 1248, is 2058? Okay, so first find out first term, that is a is 1. Next find out common ratio. So again divide second term by first term, that is what? 2. So r is 2. Now question is which term of the GP, that means this is 10th term, 11th term, 15th term, which term is this? 2058. So as that we don't know, we have to find that. So write this term as say Tn. So assume that this is nth term Tn 2048. So we have to find this n. Okay, so what is Tn? We know formula of Tn, a r raised to n minus 1 is equal to 2048. Now we know a is 1, r is 2 raised to n minus 1. Now 1 into any number is that number. So this is 2 raised to n minus 1 same. And what is that? 2048. Now as this is 2 raised to, write this number 2048 as 2 raised to some number. So what is that number? So multiply this. 2 raised to 10 is 1024. This is 2048. So this will become 2 raised to 11. Check this. Okay. 2 raised to 9 is 512. 2 raised to 10 is 1024. And 2 raised to 11 is 2048. Okay. So now 2 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 11. Base is same. So we can compare this. N minus 1 is equal to 11. And therefore n is what? 12. Okay, so answer is C, that is 12th term. So this is our 12th term 2048. Okay. Now in this MCQ of sequence series, the given that common ratio of a GP is 5. So common ratio, that means R is given 5. And the fifth term is given 1875. So fifth term is what? T5, that is given 1875. Question is the first term is, that means what is A? So we know that Tn for a GP is A r raised to n minus 1. Okay, this is formula of nth term. So as here T5 is given, put n is equal to 5. So T5 is A into r raised to, r is what? 5. Raised to n minus 1, n is what? 5. So this is 5 minus 1. Okay. So this is A into 5 raised to 5 minus 1, 4. Now what is given? T5 is given 1875. So 1875. Okay. So A is what? 1875 upon 5 raised to 4. Now what is 5 raised to 4? 5 into 5 25, and 25 into 25 is 625. So check this, 5 raised to 4 is 625. So divide this 1875 upon 625. So this is simple, 6 3s are 18, 25 3s are 75. So divide this, you can divide step by step. First divide by 5 or divide by 25. So here you will get answer 3. It is clearly 6 3s are and 25 3s are. So answer is 3. So answer is this A. That is what? 3. Next, question number 6. The sum of the 3 terms of a GP is given 21 by 4. Sum means we can use as 3, but here also given that their product is 1. Now if we want sum or product of 3 numbers, which 3 numbers we can write? In AP we use that as A minus D, A and A plus D. Because when we add that, DD get cancelled, we can find A. Now in GP, if we want 3 numbers, we write that 3 numbers as A upon R, A and AR. Why? Because when we multiply this, R and R get cancelled and we can find A. So first use this second condition, given that their product is 1. So here multiply these 3. Product of these 3 numbers is 1. So R get cancelled. A into A is A cube, that is 1. And so A is what? 1. Don't write plus minus, because minus cube is minus 1. Okay. So if A cube is 1, A is 1. Now question is find out common ratio, that is R. So for that use this given first thing. The sum of 3 terms of a GP is 21 by 4. So now add these 3. So A upon R, A plus AR is given 21 by 4. And therefore A is 1. So 1 upon 4, A is 1, and here A is 1. 1 into R, we can write R is equal to 21 by 4. Now actual method is we write 1 here, then solve by cross multiplication. We will get quadratic equation in R, solve that and find out R. Okay, so in theory we use that, but as now this is the MCQ. Now alternative method, you can check here for these values of R, which one satisfies this. So like if here R is 1, if R is 1, this is 1 plus 1 2, and 1 upon 1 is 1, so this is 3. So that is not 21 by 4. So this is not answer. Then R is 2, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1, 1 plus 1 2. That is not 21 by 4. So this is not answer. Okay, now next for 4. Here 1 by 4 plus 1 plus R is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 1 by 4 plus 5. Now cross multiplication, 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 4, that is given here. That means this value of R, that is 4, satisfies this condition, and so this is our answer. Okay, now it is not necessary to start with this. You can guess directly. As we know for R1 we will not get this, so you can check for 2 or 4. Okay, so guess that and solve that. We can check answer from this also. Okay, so that is a trick. We can use this method and we can find answer easily. Okay, so take screenshot if you want. Now in this MCQ of sequence series, given that sum to infinity of a GP is. So GP is given, first find out first term. First term is A, that is what? This 5. Find out common ratio. So we know how to find, divide second term by first term. So second term is here minus 5 upon 2 upon this first term 5. So 5 cancel, this is minus 1 by 2. And so modulus of R is plus 1 by 2, which is less than 1. And so sum to infinity exists. But actually here as answer is given and we want sum to infinity, So that means it is given that sum exists. So no need to check that now. First find out A and then R that we want. Now we know that sum to infinity is A upon 1 minus R. So this is formula for sum to infinity of a GP. A upon 1 minus R. Now what is A? A is 5 upon 1 minus R. R is minus 1 by 2. So minus of minus, that will become plus. So 5 upon 1 plus 1 by 2. So 5 upon, now solve this, 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. This 2 write in numerator, 5 2s are 10 upon 3. So this is simple calculation. We want this formula only. So 10 upon 3, that is answer is option C. Next, question number 8. The 10th term of HP is. Now what is HP? Harmonic progression. What is definition of that? If 2, 4, 6, 8, this is a AP. AP means we know arithmetic progression. Here difference is constant 2, right? So write reciprocals of these all terms. So here write 1 by 2, here write 1 by 4, here 1 by 6, here 1 by 8. This is what? HP. So AP and HP, these are reciprocals of each other. Okay, so now given that this is a HP, so write their reciprocals. We will get AP. So here reciprocals are what? 9 upon 2, 7 upon 1, 19 upon 2, 12 upon 1. This is what? AP by definition of HP. Reciprocals of these terms are in AP. So find out first term, that is A, 9 by 2. Find out common difference of AP. So second term minus what? First term. 7 2s are 14, 14 minus 9 upon 1 into 2, 2. So that is what? 5 upon 2. Now as we want 10th term of HP, find out first 10th term of AP and then we can write reciprocal of that by definition. So what is formula of nth term of AP? Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So for 10th term put n is equal to 10. Now A is 9 by 2, n is 10 minus 1 into D. D is 5 upon 2. Okay, so this is 9 by 2 plus 10 minus 1, 9 into 5 upon 2. Base is same 2. So add these numerators, 9 plus 9 4s are 45. So 45 plus 9 is 54 upon 2, and that is what? 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. So 10th term of HP is 27. So what is 10th term of HP? Reciprocal of that. That means 1 by 27. So 1 by 27 answer is A. Okay. So for this 10th term of HP is 1 by 27. Now in next sum, question is which of the following is not true? Which one is not true? Now what is A? A means arithmetic mean. So by definition of arithmetic mean AM, we know that A is A plus B upon 2. So this is true. Next is G, geometric mean. Now we know that by definition G square is equal to AB, and so G is under root AB. So this is also true. H means harmonic mean, HM. Okay, so if two numbers are A and B, their harmonic mean is 2AB upon A plus B. So this is also true. So obviously answer is D. A is not equal to GH. Okay, what is definition? G square is equal to AH. Geometric mean square. G square is equal to arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. G square equal to AH. This is true. But here given that A is equal to GH, so our answer is D. Because question is which one of the following is not true. So these three are true. This is not true. So this is our answer. Okay.